The term metaverse has become one of the most exciting buzzwords in the tech world, capturing the imaginations of developers, businesses, and everyday users alike. As the internet continues to evolve, the metaverse is emerging as the next major technological leap, integrating virtual reality, augmented reality, and blockchain technology into a fully immersive 3D digital universe. But what exactly is the metaverse? How does it work? And more importantly, how will it change our life, workspaces, economy, and the way we interact with technology and each other? In this comprehensive video, we will break down everything you need to know about the metaverse, its core technology, benefits, challenges, and how it's shaping the future of the internet and the human interactions. What is metaverse? The metaverse is a shared, persistent, digital environment that combines virtual worlds with elements of the real world. It is more than just a virtual game. It's an expansive, interactive space where user can socialize, work, shop, create, and even own digital assets. Imagine putting on a VR headset and walking through a 3D marketplace, attending a virtual concert, or even participating in a business meeting in a futuristic virtual office. That is the metaverse in action. At its core, the metaverse is built using a fusion of the following cutting-edge technology. First one is virtual reality, VR. Fully immersive environment using VR headsets. Augmented reality, AR. Overlaying digital content on the physical world via AR glasses or smartphones. Next one, blockchain technology. For secure transactions and ownership of digital assets. Next, artificial intelligence, AI. Powering intelligent avatars, real-time language translations, and responsive environments. Now, how does the metaverse work? The metaverse is not one single platform. It's a collection of interconnected digital spaces developed by various companies where users interact in real time. These experiences are enabled by VR AR devices, equipment like Oculus Rift, Meta Quest, and Microsoft HoloLens provide the sensory interface. Decentralized platforms. Blockchain-based ecosystems like Decentraland or the Sandbox enable user ownership of virtual property. Next, cloud and edge computing handle massive data processing with low latency. AR avatars and smart NPCs, lifelike digital representation that interact with users in meaningful ways. These systems work together to blur the lines between physical and digital, making a virtual experience feel incredibly real. Next, from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0. The evolution of the Internet. The Internet has undergone three major phases. Web 1.2, the static web. One-way communications, the static web page, limited user interaction. In Web 2.0, the social web, where interactivity, social media platforms, user-generated content, mobile accessibility. Web 3.0, the immersive web. The Metaverse is considered the foundation of Web 3.0, where users don't just interact with websites, they live inside digital world. This transition marks a shift from simply using the internet to being in it. Now the key feature of Metaverse. Here are the most defining aspect of the Metaverse. Number 1. Immersive experience. Users experience a 3D world where they can see, hear, and even feel digital environments via haptic devices. Second, decentralization. Blockchain ensures user ownership of digital assets such as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and virtual real estate. Interoperability. Metaverse platforms aim to allow users to move assets and avatars across multiple virtual worlds seamlessly. Fourth one, persistence. Unlike games that reset, Metaverse environments are persistent. They exist and evolve even when users are offline. Now the real world application of the Metaverse. In work and collaborations, companies are building virtual workspaces where employees use avatars to attend meetings, collaborate on projects, or socialize, replicating in-office interaction remotely. Microsoft Mesh is already testing enterprise collaboration in 3D. Meta's Horizon Workroom offers virtual meeting environments with spatial audio and shared whiteboards. In education, imaging learning history by walking through ancient Rome or biology by exploring the human body in 3D. The Metaverse enables interactive and immersive learning. Healthcare. Doctors can conduct virtual consultation or even practice surgery in simulation labs. Therapy can be delivered in relaxing, personalized VR environments. Shopping and retail. Brands like Nike, Adidas, Gucci, and Samsung have launched virtual stores where the user can try out products on their avatars and buy real or digital version. Entertainment. Virtual concert, movie, art gallery, and events are redefining digital environments. Travis Scott's Fortnite concert attract 12 million viewers in a single performance. Now the economic impact of the Metaverse. Analysts estimate that the Metaverse could contribute up to $5 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Here are some sectors already tapping into its potential. Gaming. Platforms like Roblox, Fortnite, and the Sandbox are monetizing user-generated content and digital goods. Real estate. Digital plots in Decentraland and similar platforms have sold by millions. Fashion. Virtual clothing lines and NFT wearable are creating new revenue stream for brands. Emerging jobs in Metaverse. Virtual architects and designers, NFT creators and curators, Metaverse event managers, avatar stylists, VR AI developers. Now the security and privacy challenges in the Metaverse. As with any digital innovation, the Metaverse brings with it some serious challenges. First one is data privacy. The Metaverse collects even more personal data, body movement, voice, facial expression, which must be protected against breaches. Second one is identity theft. Users must protect their virtual identities from impersonation or hacking. Third one is cyberbullying and harassment. Virtual spaces are already seeing incidents of abuse, and new regulations are needed to ensure user safety. Now the pros and cons of the Metaverse. The advantages are it's immersive, engaging digital experiences, remote work and learning become more effective, increase accessibility for people with disabilities, global collaborations and communications. Now challenges are costly equipment, VR handset, AR glasses, risk of digital addiction and disconnection from reality, regulatory uncertainty, security vulnerabilities. Now the future of the Metaverse. What is the next? As technology advances, the Metaverse will become more accessible because of cheaper handset, better mobile compatibility, more realistic haptic suits, smell simulation, AI-driven interactions, more integrated cross-platform interoperability, mixed reality blending. Countries and companies are investing billions into building metaverse ecosystems. Facebook's rebranding as Meta and Apple's focus on spatial computing are signs that the race to define the metaverse is already underway. Now, how AI and 5G are accelerating metaverse growth? AI roles generate and smart NPCs, non-player characters, powers virtual assistant, enables real-time translations and behavior prediction. 5G role provide the ultra-fast, low-latency connections needed for real-time interaction, support streaming of HD 3D content. Together, AI and 5G form the backbone of a truly immersive metaverse. Social and cultural implications. The metaverse could reshape society in profound ways. Cultural events. Global audiences can attend virtual cultural events, festivals, and religious gatherings. Social justice. Movements and awareness campaign can engage users in a new interactive way. Digital citizenship. Children and adults will need to learn ethical behavior in virtual environment. Final thought. Why the metaverse matters? The metaverse is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift in how humans experience the internet. It has the potential to redefine work, play, education, commerce, and connection. We are witnessing the birth of a new digital universe that could be as influencing as the invention of the internet itself. Whether you are a business owner, educator, developer, or curious user, understanding the metaverse today prepares you for a connected world of tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and explore with us. Did this deep dive into the metaverse blow your mind? Then let's stay connected. Smash that like button to support our journey through future tech. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on upcoming content about AI, blockchain, virtual reality, and beyond. Got thought or question? Drop a comment. We did love to hear your take on how the metaverse could shape your world. Stay curious, stay futuristic, and let's explore the new digital frontier together.